Princess Charlotte HRHN Princess titles were not guaranteed under previous royal rules. But the Queen intervened to ensure Charlotte would not be known as Lady Charlotte, according to a royal historian. Why is Princess Charlotte a princess and not a lady? The King George V Convention outlines exactly who gets royal titles within the royal family, and it stipulates that all of the sovereign's children are granted HRH still and prince or princess titles. The grandchildren of the sovereign, provided they are born to the monarch's son, are also eligible for titles, as the eldest son of the eldest son of the Prince of Wales. So under the letters patent, William and Kate's son Prince George was eligible for a title. But his sister Princess Charlotte was not entitled to be a HRH or a princess, even if she had been born before her brother. According to royal historian Marlene Koenig, the Queen intervened when Kate was pregnant with her first child by issuing a letter patent that ensured all of the Cambridge children would be known as prince or princess. She said, if Charlotte had been born first under the 1917 letters patent, because she was a great-granddaughter in the male line, and only the eldest son of the eldest son of the Prince of Wales was entitled to be HRH. Then she would have been the Lady Charlotte Mountbatten Windsor. So the Queen fixed that little issue. What other royal change were brought in by the Queen? The birth of the Cambridge children, the Queen's great-grandchildren, prompted some major change to how the monarchy is structured. The succession to the Crown Act was passed in 2013, which ensured gender no longer influence to succeed the throne. So Princess Charlotte remained the head of her younger brother Prince Louis in the line of succession when he was born in 2018, whereas previously Louis would have taken precedence. The change only applied to royals born after October 28, 2011, so it did not alter the order of the line of succession for older royals but will apply going forward. Why don't all of the Queen's great-grandchildren have prince or princess titles? Prince George, Princess Charlotte and Prince Louis are the only three of the Queen's 12 great-grandchildren to hold prince or princess titles. And in recent years, there has been much discussion about why the children of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, Duchess of Sussex, do not have royal titles as the grandchildren of Prince Charles, a future king. Harry and Meghan children are titleless and are known as Archie Harrison Mountbatten Windsor and Lilibet Diana Mountbatten Windsor. According to Ms. Koenig, it was clear when the Queen issued her letters patent before Prince George birth that Harry's future children would not get titles. The historian explained, the point I made even then is that the Queen changed it to all of the children of the eldest son of the Prince of Wales. Now, if Harry's children are going to be royal, if the plan had been for Harry, who was not even married at the time, to change it, why didn't the Queen say the children of all the sons of the Prince of Wales? She just kept it as the eldest son. So right then and there, you knew that Harry's kids were never going to be royal. So technically Archie is Earl of Dumbarton and Lilibet is Lady Lilibet Mountbatten Windsor, technically that's who they are, and that was a point of change. When Charles becomes the king, I do think there is going to be an official change. The Queen's other great-grandchildren include Mia, Lena and Luca Tyndall, War Without Titles, A.R. Savannah and Isla Phillips. Princess Beatrice daughter Sienna Mapelli Mosey, and Princess Eunice on August Brooks Bank, are also without titles.